Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick full review about this AI revolutionary music generator called 11 Music. So here's the breakdown. 11 Music is an AI powered music generator that helps creators instantly produce original track across gen using artificial intelligence. You choose style, mode and instrumentation that let the AI compose full music piece, and that can be used in videos, stream and other projects without worrying about copyright. It focuses on creative control and quality, which make it especially appealing for YouTube creator, game developer and content producer who need unique soundscape quickly without hiring a composer. That said, while the 11 Lab music output is impressive for an AI tools, it doesn't always match the emotional depth or for human composed music. So some compositions can feel looped based on the generic over long duration. Customization option also has this less granular than the traditional DAWs for producers who want full control over every note. So in my opinion, I can say the AI music stand out as a revolutionary AI music generator for fast, royalty-free track for content creator. But if you are a content creator and you want to use this, it is very good for you to seek a deeply bespoke scores and also pair it with a traditional tools for better results, or use human musician for your content. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more review. You're welcome.